Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find software update and tap on download and install. Now your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.